All right, welcome back. We're working on challenge 2. We have program the VR robot to move using a variable to set the threshold for the distance sensor. Hint, use the set variable block. So this was a little confusing because last time we set a variable, we defined it as a set number. So I was a little confused, but then I went down to the helpful hints. Thank you, helpful hints, and they give me this block here. And they even say in the directions that this lesson block from the operators category works to program the threshold for the distance sensor. So, whew. And they have it in the example, they have it as less than 50. And I'll talk to you about why I am not going to use the less than 50. So essentially, we're doing the exact same thing as level 1, only instead of just relying on the sensor, we're now giving it a specific time. So I want you to predict when it's this far away from the wall. Now I want you to move because I don't want to damage my robot if I was thinking like in real life, right? So I head back to my code, and all I'm doing is before I had just like the direct sensor in there. Like you could use the bumper, even you could do the front eye. So I guess you could have done either. But this time we're using the operator block. So all I did was I dragged the operator block over from here, the less than one, and then I also found in the sensing the distance one. Instead of it being time, I have it in sensor down here with eye sensing, or maybe not eye sensing. Oh, distance sensing. Sorry about that. So I just grabbed that one. And again, I knew it was going to fit because it fit the shape of that. Now I remember that each block is 20. And I also remembered how long half of my robot is. And so the 50, even the 70, I mean, you can even do more than 70. I just didn't want my robot like hitting the wall and getting stuck, like almost like practically half flipping up the wall. And that's what I was seeing with the pen tool when I had it at 50. So you might find a better number. But essentially, all I did was I fixed my block up here. I had the print block on accident. So I fixed my block up here, changed the color. I changed the control setting here. And then I also added heading back towards 0 just so I could see it really truly hit all four again. It doesn't really help with the randomness of it. Like I still haven't figured out where this random pattern comes from. So maybe we'll do that in level 3. So anywho, we changed those variables, added some extra things down below, and let us see how that works. So 1 wall, 2 wall, 3 wall, 4 wall. See how it gets a little caught up on that corner? So that's what I'm wondering. And it does it again here. Woo-hoo! So yeah, you might want to change those to something greater than 70 because 70 might not cut it. So, all right. Well, again, hope this helps. Good luck on level 2.